Welcome to FactVerse. Today, we're diving into some of the most fascinating facts about the human body. We're talking trillions of cells, enough iron for a nail, and senses so powerful they can distinguish over 1 trillion different smells. So buckle up, get ready to be amazed, and let's explore 10 mind-blowing facts about the human body. Remember that time you walked past a bakery and smelled fresh bread? Our noses can detect over 1 trillion different smells. That's more than the estimated number of stars in the Milky Way. This incredible ability comes from our olfactory system, located in the back of our nasal cavity. It's a complex network of millions of olfactory receptors, each designed to detect specific odor molecules. When these receptors are stimulated, they send signals to our brain, which then interprets the smell. So next time you take a deep breath, remember the incredible power of your nose. You might feel like one person, but you are a walking, talking ecosystem made up of trillions of cells. We're talking about 37.2 trillion cells, give or take a few billion. These aren't just random building blocks either, they're specialized, working together in a complex symphony of biological processes. You've got your red blood cells transporting oxygen, your white blood cells fighting off infections, your muscle cells helping you move, and nerve cells transmitting signals throughout your body at blazing speed. And get this, every single one of those cells contains a complete copy of your DNA. It's like having a library of blueprints for building a human, stored in every single room of a massive, sprawling city. So yeah, you're not just you. You're a universe unto yourself, made up of trillions of individual parts working together to keep you alive and functioning. Your brain is constantly working, even when you're not consciously aware of it. It's responsible for controlling your breathing, your heartbeat, your movements, your thoughts, your dreams, basically everything that makes you you. While it only makes up about 2% of your body weight, your brain uses a whopping 20% of your daily energy intake. And when your brain is firing on all cylinders, it can generate about 23 watts of power. That's enough to light up a light bulb. This electrical activity allows your brain cells or neurons to communicate with each other through a complex network of synapses. So next time you're feeling mentally exhausted, remember that your brain is working incredibly hard, even if it doesn't feel like it. We've all been there, right? An embarrassing situation arises and suddenly your cheeks are flushed, betraying your inner turmoil to the world. But have you ever stopped to wonder why we blush? It's actually a fascinating physiological response that's unique to humans. When we experience something embarrassing, our adrenal glands release a surge of adrenaline, which dilates our blood vessels, including those in our face. This increased blood flow causes our cheeks to redden, making us visibly flustered. So the next time you feel your cheeks burning, remember that it's just your body's way of saying, "Oops, my bad." We might not be able to leap tall buildings in a single bound, but our skeletons are surprisingly strong. In fact, pound for pound, bone is stronger than steel. Bone gets its strength from its unique composition, a combination of collagen, a protein that provides flexibility, and calcium phosphate, a mineral that provides hardness. This combination makes bone incredibly resistant to compression and tension, allowing it to support our weight and withstand impact. To put things in perspective, a cubic inch of bone can withstand the weight of 5 pickup trucks, which is roughly about 19,000 pounds. Your skeleton is an incredible feat of engineering, providing the framework and support for your amazing body. You might not be a superhero, but your body contains enough iron to make a small nail, about 3 inches long to be precise. It's mostly found in our red blood cells, specifically in a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout our body, binding to oxygen in our lungs and carrying it to our tissues and organs. Iron deficiency can lead to a condition called anemia, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. So while you won't be able to build a suit of armor with the iron in your body, it's still pretty darn important for keeping you alive and functioning. Your heart is a true workhorse, tirelessly pumping blood throughout your body 24/7 without ever taking a break. On average, your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Each beat sends a surge of oxygen-rich blood through your arteries, delivering vital nutrients to your cells and carrying away waste products. It's a finely tuned system that keeps your body functioning properly. So next time you feel your heart beating, take a moment to appreciate the incredible endurance of this vital organ. We've all heard the warnings about what happens when you swallow your gum or accidentally ingest something you shouldn't. But have you ever wondered how your stomach handles all that? Well, it's all thanks to your stomach acid, a highly corrosive liquid that's strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Your stomach acid is primarily composed of hydrochloric acid, an incredibly strong acid with a pH level between 1 and 3. This powerful acid plays a crucial role in digestion, breaking down food into smaller molecules that your body can then absorb and use. Our skin is our largest organ, acting as a protective barrier against the outside world. It shields us from the sun's harmful rays, helps regulate our body temperature, and prevents harmful bacteria from entering our bodies. And just like any other part of our body, our skin is constantly regenerating. In fact, you shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. This constant shedding process ensures that our skin stays healthy and functioning properly, replacing old damaged cells with new ones. So next time you dust your furniture, remember that some of that dust might just be you. Our eyes are incredible organs capable of processing vast amounts of visual information every second. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. From the vibrant hues of a rainbow to the subtle shades of a sunset, our eyes allow us to perceive a breathtaking spectrum of colors. This remarkable ability comes from specialized cells in our eyes called cones. Most of us have 3 types of cones, each sensitive to a different range of wavelengths of light: red, green, and blue. These cones work together to send signals to our brain, which then interprets the different combinations of wavelengths as different colors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts about the human body, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Follow for more FactVerse's mind-blowing facts.